I can't get the little slimmers up on the hill, man, to come check off the money for you.
So, brother, I want look when me look for the cat to make you know go on, so.
I know the one look. Oh, you look. Brother, the man I forgot about Quint. What me say? Yes, sir.
Nah, take on that still. Right now, that a distraction. You hear me? I say no charge. You see, storeroom where brother did a show me earlier today. You know, I say, that we fit take on. We can deal it on liquor consignment thing, though.
I know say that smart though, butcher. Smart thinking that in bro. Yeah, man.
Love that.
With the party and thing, a different set of business that we can supply whole town with the kind.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, brother.
So John around the road, you know the consignment liquor.
All this a brother you tell man about John shop. What kind of John? Consignment, brother. Them man they are dealing can. A can them a can people, my friend man. When you go around this and buy all 5 liquor, them a tell you say it done. How we are dealing assignment. And that me I tell you. You see when we are doing thing, remember me tell you people have to sign a truck load. Load, pan top and load. When you tell me about John, you want to tell you one match your man can look. How will you say you do?
Oh, I move smart but into dark back here.
Like midnight.
Yo, fam, me not against the thing, you know, fam. But that's a priest and Mr. John them a do it long time. I don't want to stop my body food.
A long time him do it, yes. That's why John fi go back in the Bible and sell them the over a counter. Hear me I say, as a matter of fact. Tell himself to go link up Jesus and turn water in a wine.
Yo, butcher, come in. Yo, forward, brother. Me hear what you say, brother. We are deal with it. A real way that man come in. We are drink 2 cold beer.
Come and tell man about John. Kind of John.
Okay. We know you're kind, you know, Mr. Wallace. You're so self-righteous one. Where really and truly you want to keep poor people poor.
Poor people poor. How you figure that?
That's why you come up with the low income kind of thing. For help on the little shop where the people them have. But you're not really concerned about them development. But people like me now, where I elevate them and put them in a something more luxurious. You have a problem with?
Cut the bullshit. I see the plans. When the plan for cut off Top Hill and cut a road go through Long Mountain. So which part of the people them from Top Hill to get money from? Well, they pay like $15,000 to $25,000 a month for rent to pay $150,000. Who we take for idiot?
So you and your friend them shut down a multi-million-dollar project using lizards?
Me and my friend them. I think you have the wrong place. That would be NEPA. And I have no friends at NEPA.
Let me tell you this. You see, when the smoke is cleared, and trust me, it's gonna be cleared soon. You're gonna get the shock of your life. You have documents down there with your name on it. We head the project.
Okay, Rookie of the Year. You see those documents? Last I checked, they went up in flames. I see the wheels turning in your head. One thing it can tell you, it's rough in the Gideon.
You find the files and you go over Gideon.
This ain't my first rodeo. And no offense, I know it might hurt your feelings. Better than you have tried. And I've failed miserably. Like you are failing now. You're sure you want to do that inside yourself? You know the fuck up part of this. If any shot fire now, the place like a swarm with police. Here what? Make us finish this somewhere else. Another day.
Name the place, time, and date. Bring your friend them.
Come out of my office.
Me and you can't survive in the same universe.
Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean.